Hi guys, welcome back to Natural and Glamorous. My name is Jamie, and if you are new around here, I talk a lot about natural health, natural beauty, and natural homes. Today I'm going to be talking about how to naturally stimulate the emotional part of your brain using essential oils. So this is going to be a simple and quick technique that you can do with your essential oils to really reap the emotional benefits without a diffuser. So of course I have three really good reasons why you would want to do this. Sometimes we are just needing emotional support like right away, and pure therapeutic grade essential oils are so amazing at providing our bodies all kinds of natural support, including emotional support. So there is this part of your brain called the limbic system. It is the part of your brain that processes emotions, and the really cool thing is that it is only triggered by your sense of smell. Of course, essential oils have a naturally fragrant smell, and they can totally trigger the emotional processing part of your brain. So breathing in those essential oils will travel right through your nostrils into the olfactory bulb in your brain, which carries it to the limbic system. And so natural scents will stimulate your nerves to fire and trigger the emotional center of your brain. It also stimulates the master gland to release hormones. The second reason that you really want to be using this technique to reap the emotional benefits of essential oils is because sometimes we just don't have the time to fill up our diffusers and wait for those properties to enter into our air. This is a super direct and quick way to use your essential oils, and you will find relief immediately. So lastly, I want to talk very quickly before I show you this technique about frequency and how exactly essential oils can help raise your frequency, raise your health, raise your vibration, and really support you emotionally when you're needing it right away. So every living thing has a frequency. Plants have frequencies, our bodies have frequencies, and when we distill plants and do not disrupt the frequency by properly distilling them, the frequencies of the plants can then transfer over into our bodies and raise our frequencies. So it has been scientifically studied that when your body is at a higher frequency, you are more vibrant and you have more health. A healthy body is between 62 and 78 megahertz, and when our bodies dip below 62, we are more susceptible to illness and disease, and when our body's frequency is lower than 57 megahertz, that is when disease enters the body. So the higher the frequency, the healthier and the more vibrant you are, and we can actually receive frequency benefits from living things such as plants. So it's great to eat plant-based diets, lots of healthy, fresh, chemical-free vegetables with all of those frequencies. But it's also great to use the frequencies of properly distilled essential oils to raise your vibration and to keep you vibrant and happy and healthy. This is why most people, when they begin using Young Living essential oils, they notice a difference right away in how they're feeling. It just makes them feel good, and they can't necessarily pinpoint why they're feeling better, but they just feel better. And it's because their vibration is naturally being raised, and they feel happier and healthier. So essential oils have vibrations from between 50 megahertz all the way up to 580 megahertz. So for example, Young Living Lavender Essential Oil has a frequency of 118 megahertz. Young Living Frankincense Oil has a frequency of 147 megahertz. And Rose Essential Oil has a frequency of 320 megahertz. Okay, so let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how you will use your oils aromatically without a diffuser for immediate and quick emotional support. So I'm going to be using Young Living's Lavender Essential Oil. We only use Young Living in our home, and I did a video all about why we trust Young Living Essential Oils, and I will link that above so that you guys can go to that video if you want to find out more. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to open up your left hand, which is your receiving hand, and place a drop of essential oil onto your palm. You're going to activate the aromatic properties in the essential oils. Essential oils are very volatile, which means the scents like flies around the room naturally. So you just need to mix it up a little bit to stimulate the scent of the oil. Then you're going to cup your hands together. You're going to cover your mouth and you're going to take 3 deep breaths, holding either after the inhale or after the exhale. So what that's going to do is going to bring the essential oils right up through your nasal passages, right up to the olfactory part of your brain, and stimulate the limbic system to start processing and releasing emotions. And of course, there are different oils that will help trigger and stimulate different emotions in your body. Lavender is amazing for relaxation and settling any unsettling feelings, and really just promoting a sense of calm in your home. We use it all the time in our bath salts, and it's just a really great way to instantly feel that calm and that settling come over your body when you directly inhale the essential oils. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you learned a quick and easy way to instantly provide yourself some emotional support naturally. To get started with Young Living Essential Oils, they have an amazing starter kit. It comes with 12 oils and a diffuser. Lavender and frankincense essential oil are in that collection. That's how I got started. That's how you get started at Young Living. And it's just an amazing way to introduce yourself and your family to the essential oil world. I also have a support group on Facebook that I will pop you into as soon as you get started using my link, so that you have all the tools and resources you need. And I have lots more tips in there, just like this tip today, so that you will know how to use your oils before they even get shipped out to you. Once again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video again. I will see you next week in the next video for another natural lifestyle tip.